So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wash brushes. So here we have nice dirty brushes for us to clean. We're going to start off with our sponge. So make sure you're using warm water for this one. And go ahead, start rinsing your sponge until it's all wet. And we're going to use Bed Bath & Beyond hand washes with coconut oil. And you just use 1 squirt of that, and then you start scrubbing it with your hands. So you just do that until you can see that there's no discoloration with the water once you rinse it. Then we go to our brushes. So now I'm going to start filling up like half of my sink with warm water and start putting all my brushes in the sink so it'll stay thin. And with the brushes, we're going to use Solid from Blender Cleanser. I got this one from Sephora and it does the job. For 20 seconds, you're going to see the difference. So I started it with swirling off procedure onto the product. So as you can see, there's like foundation in there. And it does come with this pink pad that you could use. So it'll take off everything off the bristle of your brush. So you just brush it off with that and dip it in water, and after like 20 seconds or so you're going to see the difference. So we just did that and look at our brush right now. So in comparison with the brush that you use or your old brush, look at this one. That's 20 seconds after you did that. So we're going to do that to all of our brushes and we'll see how it works. And at this part, we're just rinsing off the product from the brushes. And also, if you guys don't have the Blender Cleanser from Sephora, you could always mix dishwashing soap with warm water and it does the job as well. And there you go. Here's your fresh and clean brushes. We're just going to put it on a towel and it's ready to dry. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.